Was invited to go and learn about some gardening for your home and how to start up from scratch, basically, and what you can do with a small plot of land in order to build your own home garden. We came out here to um, actually I'm not sure where we are, but what we have done is basically we have learned how to use certain tools to loosen the soil, what kind of items do we need in order to build the plot of land, how do we raise the plot of land so that it will be suitable in order to plant things into it. And we had a fun time actually uh, experimenting with certain things and doing things in a certain order in order to prepare the land for your home garden. I feel that this is something that everybody should have some fun with and learn how to do with any plot of land that you have, because at the end of the day we're all going to need herbs, we're all going to need spices, we're all going to need like some bit of fruit or vegetable that is going to look like it's your piece of work that you're going to add to your food, that like edible flowers or and it will make a very big impact to yourself knowing that you have created something and you have put in the effort and it has borne some fruit. So I feel that in terms of learning, I have learned a lot, and I've learned that there's everything has to take time and you need to kind of get a good guide. And I feel that the people around here that has come into coaches and all that, they're pretty experienced and they have a lot of projects, so you can learn from them doing things in a small space. You can get some help with figuring things out. When you're tired of doing something, you take a break, you take a rest. Nobody's going to judge and all that, nobody's expecting you to do all the work all the time. It's a very nice socializing experience for me, since I have never been in trying to make my own plot of land into a garden. And I feel that something that I would like to do in the future for myself. So in the time being, I would definitely enjoy learning from all this, and I'll probably be here volunteering. So I feel that everybody should just give it a try.